Hi guys! Today I was at a dollar store and I found this really pretty mermaid there. Check it out. It comes with 4 sea animals, a castle, and lots of nice pretty details in this playset. I think she's really cute and I can't wait to open it.
No.
Check it out. Look at her castle. A seahorse, a sea squid, a dolphin, and a starfish. She has nice pretty blue hair and a blue tail with the pink top. Very pretty. Let's open it up. Can't wait. Okay. Wow, this is pretty. I really like the background too. And these are made out of cardboards, but they're so pretty, you guys. And look at her castle. There's a little wheel here. And yeah, so pretty. Let's see. She's taped here. So that's the mermaid. Hi! My name is Serena. What's yours? Let's check out her little friends. Little squid. I think they can float in the tub. And you can put it in the tub with you when you're taking a bath. A little seahorse. Hi. A dolphin. A starfish.
That's it.
Hi. And look at the castle. Oh, I see a little hidden thing here. Okay, you guys. So that's the little castle. It's so pretty. Look. It closes up. And then it opens. Wow, lots of pretty details inside. Look, there's a little balcony here. There's lots of stairs, lots of stones, some seaweeds down here, lots of stairs again. Hi, thank you. Yes, that's my house. Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
I love it.
Me too.
You love it too, Z?
Yeah.
Okay. Come say hi to everyone. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Wow.
Nice.
She's nice, right?
Oh, I can see something.
Yeah, look, there's a hidden door there.
What is? What is it?
We should hide some treasure in here.
Treasure.
A secret treasure.
Where's the treasure? Oh no.
We lost her. Okay, you guys, you know what? We have a little treasure hidden in here. Can you find it, Z?
Okay, I'm going to. Can you help me find the lost treasure?
Sure.
Okay.
Is Serena going to help you find the lost treasure?
Yeah.
Serena and her friends? Okay. I don't see anything here.
Dolphins are smart. They know everything.
So the dolphin is going to open it up. Oh, look! It's a little pool. Wow.
Let's deck out her hair. Look how beautiful hair she has.
She has some beautiful hair. Here's a treasure. It's a little pearl.
Can you sit
Now
down?
sitting in here.
Can you sit down? Ooh. No.
I really like this place. Do you like it, see?
Yeah. And she's swimming around.
Let me see. You guys, let us know which one was your favorite. A starfish?
Maybe
A seahorse? A little dolphin?
I like those.
Or the squid? Which one is your favorite?
I like
Which one is your favorite, Z?
this one.
That one is your favorite? My favorite is the starfish and the Serena. I really love her tail.
And I
Lots
like
of nice details on
and
it.
I like that.
And I also like this package. It's really cool. Okay, you guys. So that was it. Just a little playset that we bought from a dollar store that we really liked. And we can't wait to try it out in the tub. So
What can I try it?
let us know what you found in the dollar store that was really awesome. Okay? Check you next time.
Can I?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Say bye, Z.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Serena.
Bye. Bye. Tickle, tickle, bye.
Twinkle, twinkle. Bye. Twinkly, twinkle.